hopefully to see the Lightning advance to the Stanley Cup Finals. It is electric here. They have a bunch of people outside here where they're going to have a watch event going on during the game on the screen there for people that don't have tickets. These are our seats. Not bad for buying them the same day of the game. to hatred in about 30 seconds. Let's see what the result is. After a very, very bad officiating match so far. Out to the Bud Light party deck for a little bit. Intermission. So folks downstairs that couldn't get in, watching the game on the big screen. Pretty cool that they let them do that. Those guys out there and there are people that couldn't even get in here, but are still here to try to watch the game from the outside. Those guys are like the super duper cheap seat section, but just like Universal Studios. It took us forever, but we are over here by the Oregon. Check that out. So you could just stand around here in the bar area and look down on the ice. You can watch the game from here if you want. What? PDQ and the Lightning? The Pope is here. The Pope of the Lightning. And people booing. At the end of 2, Penguins 3, Lightning 0. I don't think it's impossible to come back from a 3-0 lead at all in the third period, but you can't win if you're not playing defense. The crowd is completely dead ever since that first goal was called back. Defense is completely flat. And by the way, that is a real Tesla coil, the largest Tesla coils that are indoors anywhere. And they do go off when we score, whenever that might be. Well, it's do or die now. Say this, we don't give up. Oh, there's 2. This place is loud. 3 minutes left. Just over 2 minutes left. The end. Good attempt. That's a wrap. And a sea of blue. Some black. They played well when their backs were against the wall, and just a little too late. And there goes the astronaut. Take a spin through the store.
I think I need to try one on.
I don't know if I'll be back here again this season. This is the aftermath. Now we gotta try to find the car. Should be fun. I'm gonna head out. It should be about another wonderful 2+ hours to get home. Lots of people complaining as we're walking back to the car. People just really upset. I have to say, it takes me more than 2 hours, you know, with traffic, more than 3.5 hours to get here today. Not a complaint. I wish they played better. They can't always win. I'd love for them to win at home so I could celebrate here at home. But if they were going to win all the time, that would take the joy out of playing a game. So, on the other hand, regardless of the drive or not, I'm not going to stop being a fan. I love the team. I loved the third period tonight. It was just absolutely amazing. The place was electric. I want to see them win in Pittsburgh and then come back home. Play some Stanley Cup Finals and let's win again this year. I want to see a parade. Yes, of course. These guys are hard at work making Sodapalooza happen. Go Team Racetrack. Check out the moon. Looks like it's shaped like an egg. Here she is. Wakey, wakey. How's that Sons of Anarchy going?
Really good.
Yeah? So I'm back home. It's 20 after 1. I gotta get some sleep. I gotta get up in another 5 hours to go back to work. I actually had thought through most of the day today that today was Wednesday, even though I knew the game was on Tuesday. Whatever rationalization I had in my head, I have a half day for work on Thursday so that I can head over to MegaCon after work. I'm working that half day. So I thought if I went to the game, then I could find like a cheap hotel on like Hotel Tonight or something like that, and just stay overnight and work that half day and then shoot over to MegaCon. And it's a good thing I didn't do that because I have a full day of work tomorrow, of which I need to wake up super early. And as for going by myself, hockey is one of those things that even when I lived in New York City, I went to a lot of Ranger games by myself. My other folks in my family were not terribly interested in hockey as much as me, but I know Mary likes watching it, but with the way that work schedules go, she doesn't normally get home from work until after 6, which would have no way been able to get us down to Tampa in time. So it's usually like a full 2-hour trip to get back and forth. Unfortunately, with traffic, it ended up taking a lot longer than that for me tonight. So on that note, thank you for all of your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great night. We'll see you guys.